Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Today I'm giving you guys bold. If you're not afraid of color, blue could be a very intimidating color to some. With the right shade of blue for your complexion, you could pull it off and be bold like me. I have no problem walking outside like this. Absolutely no problem. Anywho, a full list of the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. My face is washed, my eyebrows is already done, and today I will be playing with my Makeup Revolution Tammy X palette. I've had this palette for some time now. I'm now getting around to using it. Look how gorgeous these colors are. Those blues are definitely calling my name. I'm going to start basting my eyelids using my PLOUISE Base Rumor number 5, and I'm just going to buff this out all over my eyelids till it's nice and tacky. First, I started off with the shade Nightfall. It's a matte midnight blue color. I'm going to use this in the crease of my eye socket, and I'm also going to take this color all the way to my nose bridge. Then I will take a clean fluffy blending brush just to buff out the edges so it wouldn't look so harsh. Here I needed a darker blue to deepen the crease, so I went in with my Melt Cosmetics Muerte palette. At least I think that's how you say it. I'll put the correct name in the description box below. But I'm just using this in the outer V area and in the eye socket of my eyelids. This will just add some drama to that area. Using my favorite glitter primer from NYX, I'm just going to add this on the rest of my eyelids so I can apply those shimmer colors. The first shimmer color I'm going in with is this navy blue, and let me tell y'all something. I tried this look about 3 times. I almost gave up on it. These are the trickiest shimmer shadows I have ever used. It feels so squishy, it feels spongy. It looks powdery in the palette, but it's very squishy to the touch. I tried different brushes. I tried using them wet. I've tried all different types of ways to apply these shadows, and the best method of applying these shadows to me was using my fingers eventually, and just watch on, you'll see what I mean. But I almost gave up on this look, period. I was shocked that it even came out the way in which it came out. My fingers did the best blending for these shimmery shadows from the palette, so be very careful when using these shimmer shades. They're very squishy to the touch. It's a very different consistency. I've never used a texture like this before. Anyway, moving on to my face. As usual, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Water Jelly and the Matte Perfection Primer down the center of my face as usual to keep the oils out so everything will look nice and fresh and I wouldn't be shiny throughout the day. For my foundation today, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in the shade number 420 all over my skin. Then I went in with my Juno Beauty Sponge just to press that foundation into my skin to give my skin a more skin-like finish, and it also takes away the excess foundation that's just sitting on my skin, so my skin feels nice and airy. Next, I'll go in with my favorite concealer to hide those dark circles under my eyes, which is by Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Chestnut. Here I'm using my Kevyn Aucoin concealer in SX12 just to brighten my under eyes and the center of my face. This concealer has a very yellow yet olivey undertone, and it goes perfect with my skin tone. next to contour, I'm using the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade medium, just around the perimeter of my face. Going in with my damp beauty sponge again, just to press those products into my skin, and it's also going to take away the excess products that's sitting on my skin, and it gives my skin a more flawless appearance. Time to blur the center of my face using my favorite blurring powder by TILBURY. This is the Airbrush finishing powder in the shade medium number 2, I believe. Here I'm using my Mercier loose setting powder in the shade Honey just to set the center of my face, and I'm going to use my beauty sponge to do this. I'm going to press the product into my skin, and this product is so finely milled. Look how it just disappears into my skin. To finish the rest of my face, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Deep Dark just to give my skin that flawless finish. In a look without my bronzer, and today's bronzer I'm using my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in the shade Mocha Mummy just around the perimeter of my face. Time to add some drama to this lower lash line. So first I'm going to go in with my NYX eye pencil in the shade Sunrise Blue just on the lower lash line, and then I will smoke it out using that first matte shade from the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm just going to smoke it out using that shade, and then on my lower waterline I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Lady Lagoon. This bright blue really brought this entire look together. It's just a pop of color that this look needed. If you guys realize by now, I love a pop of color on my lower lash line. That's just my style of makeup. Now to set everything in place using my Morphe setting spray, as usual, this is just the original. Now to add some blush to my skin, I'm using my Bella blush by Juvia's Place. Just to save time, I did my lashes and mascara off camera. I would leave the type of lashes that I use in the description box below. Here I'm going in with my MAC Whisper of Guilt, as usual, just on the high points of my cheekbones. And finally for the lips, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil. Yes, eye pencil in the shade Sabbath. I'm going to line my entire lip with this and stain my lips with this before going in with my Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Clapback, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.